While playing PS2 games, people have been coming into my streams and asking me questions like,
Matt, aka The Backlog, how are you capturing this PS2 footage and why does it look so good? Is it Emulothion?
Now, this is a little complicated, but let me break it down for some of the newer retro streamers out there. I capture my PS2 by using component video, which is the red, green, and blue connectors, with the other two connectors, the red and white, being audio. This is the best picture that the PS2 can output. Though you can use composite, which is the yellow connector, this is a lesser image quality, and for me, it's not preferred. In the next step of the process, I connect my component cables to my RetroTink 5X, which is a video upscaler made specifically for retro gaming. It has minimal input lag and scales your image to 1080p or 1440.
Hey, that's pretty good.
And outputs the image through HDMI. After that, I connect my RetroTink 5X to my Elgato HD60, which lets you capture footage through OBS or any streaming software that you use. Let me know if this helps or if you guys have any questions. Leave a comment below. Bye.